Let's take a look at the crash reporting feature in Embrace. We'll learn how to isolate and analyze specific mobile crashes in the context of user session activity. Embrace captures 100% of mobile app crashes with our open source SDK. Crashes are reported and visualized in the dashboard in the crash summary page. The crash summary page lets you explore top-line stats, such as daily crash-free session percentage, daily crash-free user percentage, the number of total crashes, and the number of affected users. On this page, you'll also see a list of your app's crashes. These are grouped by the stack trace commonality that was the source of the crash. You can filter your crashes list by different attributes, such as device type, region, or background versus foreground state. In this example, we're filtering by text contained in the crash message itself. Now, we've isolated only the crashes that match a certain description. You can see we have 2 reported events that fit this criteria. For more detail about a crash, including a list of its unique instances, let's click on the event. Clicking into the crash brings us to the crash details page, which gives us more information into this specific crash. Embrace provides issue management capabilities for crashes, so you can specify whether you want to keep this crash open, snooze it, ignore it, or mark it as resolved. The crash details page gives you a list of individual instances of the crash you're analyzing. Expand the instance for more information. If you've submitted a source mapping file, you'll see a deobfuscated, human-readable stack trace so you can see the exact methods and functions associated with the crash. You can also preview the crash within the user's session timeline. This gives you better context into what events led up to the crash. Lastly, click the link to open the full user timeline for more comprehensive context. The user timeline gives you a full play-by-play of all the technical and behavioral events across the entire app session. This includes things like networking events, logs, user clicks and taps, and of course, crashes. You'll see the crash within the context of all other events, so you can understand exactly what conditions led to the crash without having to manually try and reproduce it. This makes resolution faster and easier. That's it for this crashes tutorial. Now you know the basics of how to explore a mobile crash in the Embrace dashboard. Be sure to check out our other product videos.